Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It is February 6th. We do have the grains up a little bit this morning. Corn up 1.50 to start. Beans up 1/4. Wheat up 4. So starting a little bit higher. But the question is going to be, what kind of macro effect are we going to have today on these markets? What we've seen this week, especially a wild ride, if you're looking at Tuesday's trade when we were up sharply. Things to watch is the dollar and to watch crude oil. I mean, that's what happened Tuesday. When we had the dollar sharply lower, crude oil was sharply higher, and it was the macro sense of coming in to buy everything. Today, though, we did have some jobs numbers out that were friendly. They were good, and we got the dollar right now surging, up 72 cents as of right now. Crude oil, though, higher as well, $1.22 higher. So, well, that's kind of confusing because that's not what we've seen here in the past this week, but certainly something to watch today. Which one's going to weigh out over the other? But is this going to give us a sense of just seeing some comfort and maybe finishing the week a little bit stronger? We've seen a bounce from earlier this week. The weekly charts look a lot better right now than what we had going home with last Friday. And so what kind of effects can we see there? Will this see more of the technicians to try to come in and buy this and keep the grain markets a little bit stronger? 8 o'clock this morning, no new release as far as export sales. So nothing to report on that front. But looking at some of the other news that was out overnight, Buenos Aires Exchange coming out giving their estimates as far as Argentina's crop. And last year they had their corn crop was right at 55 million tons. Their estimate is at 57 million tons, so still better than expected there. And that's kind of the trend that we're getting. If you look at South America's weather as a whole, right now, sure, we're getting some of these estimates coming out, still better than last year. So, and there's still rains in the forecast. So the weather itself is going to continue to remain bearish as far as corn and beans. They probably will have a bigger crop than what they had seen last year. So keep that in mind. Looking at livestock, cattle starting off right now up more than $1. Still expecting to see cash trade today. No trades as of yet, but still expecting to see maybe $1 higher as far as the cash side. Box beef coming in a little lower, $1.50 lower for choice. Select down 19, but still watching that cash trade. We've seen these markets back and forth, but expecting to see cash stay steady a little better. And that's quite a bit higher than where we've got futures right now. So that may try to kind of cap this downside move for now if we could start to see a trend in cash cattle to work a little bit better. So we'll see. Keep an eye on that. Hogs a little higher, getting that a recovery on Friday. Maybe it's just short covering because there's not a lot of news out there for hogs that are positive. Cutout values down again, down 71 cents. But we are getting a little recovery right now, 60 to 70 cents higher for hogs. But can they hold that today? Yeah, I think it'll be tough in order to see that. But if we can get cattle to work stronger, maybe the sympathy buying coming into the hogs may try to find some kind of support as well. Outside markets, for us anyway, stock market up 61, gold down 23, silver down 32. As I mentioned, the dollar stronger, up 72 cents. Crude oil working higher right now, $1.22 higher as well. But give us a call if you guys have questions. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you again on Monday. Take care.